Hello my darlings, welcome back. Today I've got another fashion video for you and it is a haul slash what's new in one of my favourite retailers, REISS, and it's this time of year. We've just kind of finished what I think is going to be the last heat wave of the summer, so all of my attention is now on autumn clothes, autumn styling, and I absolutely love summer and I would never wish for the end of it, but this year more than ever I'm really excited to look towards those more soft and cozy materials, lovely layering pieces and the beautiful tones and colours that autumn or fall brings to our wardrobes. REISS is a retailer that I always find the most beautiful investment pieces from. I find the pieces are just such wonderful quality and really classic designs that I find myself reaching for year after year, so true investment pieces, and I always find that they just really elevate your outfit. But there's something about the way that they're cut, something about the materials that I always just feel so elegant and polished and put together when I wear their designs. And I hear so much wonderful feedback from you guys as well, saying you're really glad you discovered the brand after seeing it here on my channels. So if you've not heard of the retailer before, then hopefully this video will give you a little taste as to what they offer. So I have chosen some really beautiful things to add to my autumn wardrobe. There are some classic basic pieces, and then there's also some more kind of fun and stylish items as well. So as always, everything that I mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box down below, so if you'd like to find any further product information or if you want to shop any of the pieces, then they'll all be linked in the order that I mentioned them down below, as well as the pieces that I'm styling them with and my accessories and things like that. This is a really beautiful new necklace, very affordable from the high street, but I think it just adds a very luxurious looking finish to a jumper such as this. And this is actually the first item that I picked up from REISS lately. I made this order last week, picked it up from the Kings Road store, and also did a little bit of browsing in the store there, but I find their click and collect just so easy to do. So the jumper is one that didn't really look that special on the website, but I knew it'd be one that I just really wanted to wear time and time again throughout the winter months. It ticks so many of my boxes when it comes to investment pieces for the coming season: neutral colour, classic design and high quality materials. The jumper just seems to fit in all the right places. As you can see, it's got this neckline which is like a low scooping neckline. I do find myself adjusting it every now and then, but it doesn't really bother me. I think it's a really beautiful, elegant and feminine neckline. It's got a bit of a bat wing at the top, but then it goes really tight towards the bottom of the sleeves as well, so I don't feel like my sleeves are going to be getting in the way and, you know, being baggy where they shouldn't be. So it's quite nice and flattering to give that little bit of definition to your lower arms. And then down at the bottom here, it's tight around the waistband area, which just creates a really beautiful silhouette. Other than the interesting design, it's actually very plain. This kind of biscuity oatmeal colour I think is so flattering on every different skin tone, every different hair colour, and I think it really lends itself to a nice necklace. So I've paired it with this chain one with the pearl detail, which I think is very on trend for the coming season, this gold chain effect, and I think this was around £30, so very happy with this. I would have loved to have paired this jumper with a pair of cream Tyne leggings from REISS, but they're yet to bring them out in the cream shade. If you've not heard me talking about the Tyne leggings before, they are basically one of my favourite items that REISS bring out pretty much every season. I've so far got them in 3 colours. I believe they've only brought them out in 3 colours so far, but I'm hoping this will be the season that they bring them out in cream, because I think that would look fabulous with this jumper. But at the moment I'm just wearing it with a pair of cream jeans. These jeans are from River Island. They've got loads of elasticity to them, so they're super comfortable. I could pair it with a belt as well, some open knee boots, but something like this I think looks really smart but is so comfortable at the same time. So the ultimate versatile item to have in your wardrobe, so a really good piece to invest in from REISS at this time of year. This next dress I am so excited to finally have in my wardrobe, because I have been waiting for this dress ever since I spotted it at the REISS press day, which I think was back in March or April time. I spotted this dress, which I believe was in cream, back in the press day, and it came out in cream a few months ago, sold out pretty much straight away, but I was like, it's okay, everything happens for a reason, and it suddenly came true with this dress, because they have just brought it out in this beautiful blush pink shade, which could not be any more me. I probably would have loved it in cream too, but I do have the pleated dress from REISS from last summer in cream, so it probably would have been a little bit too similar, but this is just an absolute dream. So I saw a dress from Chloe about a year ago that was very similar to this, and I absolutely fell in love, but I thought it was just far too expensive for what it was. So the fact that REISS have now bought this out, obviously it's not super affordable, REISS is a premium store, but you get what you pay for. The quality of this dress is absolutely gorgeous, and the design totally timeless, so me, and just so flattering. I absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, the colour is just absolute perfection, this powdery pink, which again I think works for all different skin tones, all different hair colours. It suits pretty much everyone. The design of it is kind of 60s-ish, it feels a little bit vintage. You've got this waist belt which makes it a little bit more feminine, gives you a really lovely flattering silhouette. Pleats on the bodice, you've got quite a wide cuff on the sleeves here, finished off with 2 little buttons, a hidden button here, and then you've got a really wide hem which just helps the dress to hang really nicely. You're not going to have any Marilyn moments with it floating up in the breeze. And it's just a really perfect, flattering, elegant length that finishes just above the knee. For a real kind of 60s, 70s look, I'm going to try pairing the dress with these boots, which are also new from my haul from REISS. I've been looking for a lovely pair of knee-high brown boots for a little while now. I didn't find the perfect pair last autumn, so I'm very pleased to have seen these. I hope they're going to be comfortable. The heel height looks absolutely perfect for me. It's actually quite a thin heel, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it looks wide from the side, but it's actually quite a thin heel. Pointed toe, and just a really nice detail on the leather here. If you look close, you can just see it's got a really nice almost folded detail. These could almost be Loewe boots, I feel, with the design on them, but a lot more affordable than a pair of tan Loewe boots would be, that's for sure. I went for my usual size, which is a 36, and just looking at the design detail and the way they're finished, they look to be super high quality, so hopefully they're going to be really comfortable, because I imagine these are the kind of boots that I'm going to be wearing non-stop throughout autumn, so prepare to see these a lot in upcoming fashion videos on my Instagram, etc. Also to point out, because I know that sometimes boots can be pretty hard to get on and off, they do have a really high zip to enable you to actually get in and out of them, but they're also pretty stretchy around the top here, so hopefully they're going to be really comfortable and fit snugly around my calves. Up next is this incredible dress that if I still worked in the corporate world, if I still worked in an office, this would be my autumn girl boss CEO level work dress, because it is absolute perfection. I feel so professional, I feel so mature and put together, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And yet I would also wear this on less serious occasions as well. Like, I don't have a corporate job anymore, YouTube is my job, and yet this dress I feel like is going to be so perfect for going to meetings, lunches and things like that. It is fabulous. So this dress I would describe, the pattern firstly is really unusual. There's something a little bit bird-like about it. It's a little bit feathery, but also a little bit giraffe-y. I don't know. How would you guys describe the pattern on this dress? Because I'm lost for words. Once again, you've got a really nice big hem, which I think adds to the smartness of this, and then you've got some really lovely feminine and fun design details, like this bow around the waistline. I did a couple of attempts to get a really perfect bow. I think that makes all the difference. A double bow, so it's not going to be falling out during the day. And then it's the hem of this dress, which is so beautiful. It's an asymmetric hem, really lovely lightweight material, which I do need to steam. I know there's a few little creases in here, but they'll be gone in just a few seconds with a steamer. And it's also a little bit wrap dress-like, so as you can see there's a bit of a slit down the middle, which just gives it a little bit more of an alluring kind of flirty vibe, but it never flaps open as far as I can tell, so you're not going to be revealing too much. When it does show a little bit more leg, it's really nice to see the boots underneath. I've paired it with the tan leather boots again. I honestly think these are going to go with so many different things, but yeah, whether it's for work or for pleasure, I can see myself getting so much wear out of this dress. It's the perfect balance between ladylike and feminine, elegant, professional, and just super versatile, but also timeless. There is nothing particularly on trend about this dress, so in many years to come, if you are looking for that perfect investment work dress or general easy to throw on and look fabulous dress, then I think this is an absolute winner. REISS, you have nailed it with this dress. I feel like this next dress is the autumn-winter version of the pink dress that I loved so much during spring. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same pattern they've used, but just a different material. So if you watched my 10 trends for autumn-winter 19 video, you'll know that dark florals and autumnal florals are so on trend this season. REISS obviously know that because this dress just ticks all of those boxes. So the pattern itself is really nice and wearable because it has this creamy base, which I think is so easy to wear. But then they've got this beautiful beautiful purple, fuchsia and kind of mustard yellow floral print over the top, which almost looks like a watercolour pattern. It's so beautiful, but not too in-your-face floral. It's not an overly feminine floral if that's not your vibe, but then it does have some lovely feminine design details like the ruffles along the middle here. There's ruffles along the hem as well, and this bow detail around the waist. So pretty much the exact same silhouette as those dresses that I loved in spring. So hopefully that means they might bring this out in a shorter version as well, because I got so much use out of my shorter pink dress from earlier in the year. But lovely lightweight materials. It's great for this time of year when we're transitioning our wardrobe from the warmer months into autumn. But then as the temperatures drop, I'll probably wear this with a roll neck sweater underneath, either in black or maybe a kind of biscuity shade one. I think that would work absolutely perfectly. Lengthwise, just below the knees, and again I've paired it with the tan leather boots. Ultimate versatile autumn footwear, and I think it's just a really nice, elegant bohemian dress for autumn winter, so very much my style. Something that'll look really gorgeous with a light camel coat thrown over the shoulders, with a trench coat perhaps, or even if it's your vibe, maybe a black leather jacket. I think there are so many ways of styling this dress up or down depending on your personal style. I feel like no autumn wardrobe is complete without a couple of chunky jumpers, and this is my first chunky jumper investment of 2019. Couldn't resist this one with the lovely kind of blush pink detail down at the bottom here. It's got a nice high neck and it is so soft, and I can tell this is going to be a fantastic one for layering. If I have any ski trips, then this is just absolutely perfect. It's a real cozy knit, but without having that Fair Isle print, which I do feel goes in and out of fashion. This one is just a lot more me, a lot more timeless, and it's got lambswool and cashmere in there, so really lovely materials. It's going to keep me nice and snugly warm. I'm actually wearing it just with a bra on underneath at the moment, and it's not itchy in the slightest, so that's definitely a positive. Nice to wear with leggings when you're just being a little bit more casual around the house, but you could also pair this with something like a wool skirt or just any kind of material midi skirt. I think that would be lovely. So yeah, a nice pre-winter investment piece from REISS. I'm just an absolute sucker for this shade of pink. It looks a little bit more grey in the camera than it is in real life, but I would describe this as the perfect dusky kind of pink shade. I think this would be a really lovely blouse for workwear, but also, I don't know, I think it's a very versatile piece. Again, I would wear this perhaps with a midi skirt, my white woolen midi skirt from last year, and I believe that Mango actually have something very similar in at the moment, so I'll leave that down below in case you did fall in love with my white midi skirt from last year. At the moment I'm just wearing this with my Tyne trousers, and I believe that only the smallest size is still available online, and I think they're in the sale down to £55. But yeah, I will leave them linked down below as well. Other than wearing with the Tyne trousers or a white midi skirt, I think this could look really nice just with a pair of white jeans. I love the batwing detail of this. I love anything pleated, and I think this will be a really nice thing for me to pick out of my wardrobe when I do want to dress a little bit more professionally throughout the autumn winter season. I feel like you can't really go wrong with a brown cashmere jumper like this in your autumn wardrobe. It's a real basic piece, something that, once again, not going to go out of style, totally timeless, and something that is a real core building block in your wardrobe. This one has got cashmere in there, so lovely and warm, lovely and soft, and it's got enough room in here that I can do plenty of layering. I can definitely fit at least one thermal layer on underneath this, which is fantastic. Again, I've gone for a really neutral shade, so this is going to work with all of my wardrobe. I may not have that much brown in my wardrobe, but as it's a neutral, it'll go with any soft pink bottoms. At the moment I'm wearing the moss green bottoms, white denims. It really is super versatile. When it starts to get really chilly, as I mentioned, a few layers underneath, but with a nice cozy coat on and scarf, this is going to be the kind of thing that I will most definitely be wrapping myself up in when the temperatures start to get chilly. And REISS always just do the most lovely quality. I have got jumpers like this in my wardrobe from at least, I would say, 4 or 5 years ago, and I cannot even tell that they are reaching their 5th or 6th winter, because I do care for my knitwear. I have got a video on how to care for your clothes, which I'll leave linked on the screen and down below if you want to see how I keep my clothes looking great throughout the years. But something like this, it's definitely worth investing in, caring for it, using the right detergents and things like that, because it really will be in my wardrobe for a very long time. So another lovely classic REISS piece. And then these last two pieces are the classic REISS cashmere and wool jumpers. They bring out pretty much the same silhouette year after year because it is so classic and just doesn't really need altering. So I have this jumper from previous years in like a lilac-y grey shade and a full-on grey shade. This year they brought it out in pink and in this just off-white creamy colour, both of which I absolutely love and have added to my collection. So this jumper is just a really classic elegant knit, whether you want to wear it for being a little bit more glamorous and cozy around the house, or if you want to wear it perhaps with a pair of tailored trousers to work on those chillier days, then it's absolutely perfect. At the moment I don't really think it needs much layering, but as the temperatures cool down you might want to wear this with a thermal underneath, perhaps a lovely faux fur gilet on top. That would look absolutely gorgeous. The neckline is not too chunky. Sometimes I feel like I get a bit jowly and it's a bit unflattering if there's too many layers. This is just one layer, so I think it's called a turtleneck as opposed to a roll neck, and the only other design detail really is a little bit of stripe going on the hems of the sleeves, and then you've got a little bit of a dip hem where the back of the jumper is just a little bit longer than the front, which personally I think is really flattering. I know I sound like a stuck record, but once again this is something that will be in your wardrobe for years to come. Definitely worth the investment, and a lovely warm piece as well. That wool and cashmere blend is going to keep all the heat snuggled up inside, so if you do live somewhere that does get chilly in the autumn and winter months, then this is a really lovely investment and just such a classic piece, something that you will no doubt find yourself wearing so often. It'll be part of your regular on rotation wardrobe for the cooler months. Styling wise, I would say the options are endless. Today I have gone with a pair of just off-white jeans, not the exact same colour as the jumper, but I'm not too fussy about that, and I think it looks really nice just with some simple gold jewellery. I actually don't have any earrings in right now, in fact. There we go. I feel like a cream or off-white jumper looks beautiful and so elegant with a pair of statement pearl and gold earrings, maybe some nice gold rings and bracelets as well. I just feel like this is my autumn style. I love the light colours and I'm not ready to say goodbye to them when autumn comes. So yeah, this is pretty much what I live in during the cooler months. But let me show you the other colour that I also got this jumper in. And this is the last jumper. So pretty much exactly the same as the last one, but in this beautiful powdery pink shade, which goes so well with so many different things in my wardrobe, whether that's with cream jeans, leggings, or even a high-waisted midi skirt. It's just something that I will reach for time and time again when I want to be comfy but still very true to my personal style and still a little bit chic as well. So this is the final thing in my REISS pre-autumn haul. Prepare to see all of these pieces being styled up in so many different ways in upcoming content. I would say REISS pieces are my most worn on repeat items in my whole wardrobe, so you'll be seeing a lot of these. I think probably my favourites would be... I can't choose between the dresses, love all the dresses, and definitely the boots. I think the boots will be getting a lot of wear over the coming weeks, months and years. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As I mentioned, everything will be linked down below. If you'd like to add anything to your own wardrobe, then just click show more for all the information. And if you enjoyed this video, if you like these pieces and you're looking forward to more fashion videos from me, then please do take a few moments to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!